With Outlook, the order of the sections is always the same. So it's always email, calendar, people, tasks, notes, and then anything else. That works for most of us, but won't necessarily work for absolutely everybody. Let me share how you can change the order to make it work for you. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer trainer, here sharing tips and tricks to help you use your everyday programs quickly and easily. So, again, let's move my video out the way, and here we are in the sort order. We're going to click on the three dots that is more options and open up our navigation options dialog box as normal. The display order section shows you what order everything's in, but other thing to note is you've also got the maximum number of visible items. The default's 4, and if you're sticking with your compact navigation, I'm going to say stay with that number. If you take that off, as you may have seen in a different video, and if you haven't, it will be linked to this one as well. If you switch off the compact navigation and it takes up the entire width of your Outlook screen, then you can change the number of visible items and make it all of them if you really want. But we're here to show how to change the order of the sections. So if actually I use my tasks more than I use my people or contacts, all I need to do is click on tasks. I've got move up now available to me and simply move it up in the order. I can rearrange these however you want. Now, as a general rule, I would highly recommend leave mail and calendar as the first two, because let's be honest, for most of us that's what we use. However, if you do want to change it, if you do use your calendar more than you use your email, or whatever you prefer, change that around as you need. As you select the different options, you choose move up or move down, and when you're ready, you simply say OK. Immediately, you can see I've got my email, my calendar, and now I've got tasks and then people. If you like this tip, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to my channel for notifications as new videos are released.